Welcome back to AutoVibe, your go-to channel for honest and exciting car reviews. Today, we're talking about the much-anticipated 2026 Suzuki Mehran, the possible return of one of Pakistan's most iconic budget cars. If the name sounds familiar, that's because the original Suzuki Mehran built a legendary reputation for simplicity, affordability, and easy maintenance. A modern comeback. The 2026 version of the Suzuki Mehran is expected to carry the same practical spirit but with a modern twist. Designed by Suzuki Motor Corporation, the new model could feature refreshed styling, improved aerodynamics, and a more urban-friendly look while staying compact and budget-conscious. Engine and performance. Rumors suggest the 2026 Mehran may come with a small, fuel-efficient 660 cubic centimeters or 800 cubic centimeters engine, possibly inspired by Suzuki's K-Car technology. The focus will likely remain on low fuel consumption, affordable maintenance, and easy drivability. Perfect for city commutes and first-time car buyers. Interior and features. Unlike the older generation, which was known for its minimalism, the new Mehran is expected to offer basic modern features such as power steering, improved seating comfort, air conditioning, and possibly a simple infotainment system. Safety upgrades like dual airbags and ABS could also be included to meet modern standards. Expected price and market impact. If launched at a competitive price point, the 2026 Mehran could once again dominate the entry-level market in Pakistan. It may compete with models like the Suzuki Alto, offering buyers a more affordable alternative with proven brand reliability. Final thoughts. The 2026 Suzuki Mehran has the potential to revive a legend in a smarter, safer, and more efficient package. If Suzuki keeps the price reasonable and focuses on reliability, this comeback could shake up the small car segment once again. Stay tuned to AutoVibe for more updates on the latest automotive news and reviews.